Hello there. In case you forgot, my name is Eddie from Edhard. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to assemble a SFTR Lobe Type Pump. The Edhard SFTR Series Lobe Type Pumps are used for dispensing products containing particles with a wide range of viscosities. Get ready to follow along. If I'm going too fast for you, just pause the video. First, let me go through the parts to your pump so you understand what I'm referring to in the video. Okay, here we go. Number 1 is the pump housing. Number 2 is the pump cover. Number 3 is the orange O-ring. Number 4 is the lobe impellers. 5 is the sanitary clamps and gaskets. 6 are the 4 thumb screws. 7 is a T-handle 5mm hex key tool used to maintain your pump. Number 8 is the shaft and timing gear plate. Number 9 is the nylon bearings. Number 10 is the shaft and timing gear plate screws. Lastly, number 11 is the shaft seals. Let's assemble the pump together. Grab your shaft and timing gear plate and slide the shaft seals onto each shaft. Notice there is a red dot on each seal. The dot should not be visible after you install the seal. Make sure they are nice and snug. Slide the shaft and timing gear plate into the housing. Make sure the bronze gear is to the left. There is an L indicator stamped into the bronze gear in case you forget. Now screw the 4 shaft and timing gear screws into the plate. Remember CCBC. Once you have tightened all of the screws, it is time to install the O-ring. Nicely done. All right now, put the 2 nylon bearings into the housing. You will notice that the bearings have a notch. Line that notch up with the notch in the housing. The bearings should sit flush to the housing. Go ahead and slide the impellers onto the shafts. Let's close this baby up. Line up the pump housing to the pump cover. Set all of the thumb screws and then tighten them. Remember to use the CCBC technique and only hand tighten the thumb screws. Make sure you cross-tighten the thumb screws to ensure the pump is sealed properly. That'll do it. The pump I just showed you is a suction feed pump and is also available as a hopper feed pump. Before you go, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, give us a call or send us an email. Have a great day.